First, we're going to jack up the car. We need the front wheels off the ground so that we can turn them side to side to get all the fluid out. First thing we're going to have to do is take the serpentine belt loose. That's an 18mm socket I'm using. Just tighten it and be careful not to pinch your fingers. Alright, now that that's loose, go ahead and just pull the belt off the power steering pulley. Now under the car, you got to take the upper hose off for the power steering. So remove that clamp there. This is under the driver's side of the vehicle. Now that the hose is off, you can see it there, that nub. That's where the power steering fluid is going to be coming out from. So I take a piece of clear hose and I put it over the nub there. That way we can see what color the fluid is that's coming out easy. Now we got to block off this hose so the fluid doesn't come out that side. And I used a bolt that I had laying around, put it in the end of the hose, and put the clamp over it. Now let's go ahead and take the cap off the reservoir there. Make sure you get a funnel or you're going to make a big mess. Just keep it topped off. And once the reservoir is topped off, you're going to grab that pulley there, the power steering pulley, and spin it. You can see how brown that fluid is coming out. It's supposed to be red. Spin it till the fluid starts to look a little better. And in this case, I turned the wheel all the way to the left. And a bunch of fluid came out. Now I'm spinning it again to get more fluid out. Make sure you keep the reservoir topped off. Throughout the procedure, you want to turn the wheel back and forth a few times until all the fluid coming out starts to look like that, very red. Now that I'm not getting any more brown fluid out, it's time to start putting everything back together. So I removed the plastic hose, and then you just reinstall everything in the reverse order. And now that everything's back together, I like to go ahead and turn that power steering pulley until I get some air out. See some bubbles there. Get some air out of the system. And once you're all done, go ahead and just take the car down. And now we're done. That's really all there is to this job, and I hope this helped you guys out.